In my lifetime, I've never seen Arsenal win a Premier League trophy, and in their entire history, they've never won a Champions League trophy. So, in today's clear mode show, I'm gonna go 5 seasons to try and change that. The main goal for the 5 seasons is to win every trophy that England has possible. Carabao Cup, FA Cup, Premier League, and of course, the Champions League. Let's jump right in. And we're gonna jump right into it with our first signing, Victor Gyökeres, joining Arsenal FC, blowing the budget a bit here, but it is exactly what we need. A big striker with tons of potential, and hopefully can save this team and get us a league title. This is literally the one that I had burst up in my mind. Obviously on the thumbnail you'll see, and welcome to the club, Victor Gyökeres. Okay, so this is the team that we're going to use for the rest of the season. Marcelo Gyökeres, Saka up front, Odegaard, Cam, Rice, Harley, Diams, Anthony Gabriel, Sligo, White, backline, and Ryan. And this is the bench. I also had to sell some players, including Tierney and Zinchenko, just players that I didn't think would play. But yeah, here's the team for the rest of the season. Hope we do well. Okay, so I've seen to the end of the season, and looking at the top right, doesn't look like we've done this well this season. I'm just going to check the team and how we've done. So just team management. So, oh, okay, 99 up to an 84. Gyökeres plus 2 to an 88. Saka plus 2, plus 1 I think to the 87. Odegaard plus 1. Harley is the same, but Rice plus 1. White plus 1, Sleeve plus 1, Gabriel plus 1, Cavalieri plus 1, Gallagher plus 2. Victor Gyökeres, half the season and 23 goals. That's pretty good, honestly. Like, if he played the whole season, maybe he could have got the golden, but who knows. Not only 20 goals, that's good. Back on 19 goals. He was injured, so I don't blame him. Only got the assists. Okay, let's listen to the end of the season and see how we went. Okay, so sitting third in the Premier League, we absolutely butchered it. Got just on Newcastle, and behind Liverpool and Man City. Oh my god, absolute disgrace. FA Cup final, Liverpool won. Went out in the semi-finals to Fulham. Are you kidding me? Carabao Cup we won. Okay, that's pretty good I guess. Super Cup no. Champions League went to Man City, and we went out in the semi-final. Are you kidding me? It was so close. What a disgrace, honestly. This is horrible. Like, we got the Carabao Cup, but really, this is horrible, horrible stuff. I can't believe it. I really hope they do go the next season, because this is not going well so far. I just hope our players can get a bit of a boost, and I can sign some new players to really help out the team. Okay, so we're back in season 2, and I did manage to get a pre-contract agreement on Leroy Sané, expecting the whole animation thing, but it didn't happen, so I won't show you guys that, but I will put it in the subs for now, and here are the lines and stuff. I kind of want to try and sign maybe a CDM to replace Carly, and also maybe another left back. Just a little bit better than okay, so for the second season, the signings I've got in my head so far are these dudes. Now, contemplating too many, but every single Arsenal player I see all use too many. So I'm not actually thinking too many for now actually. And not Taylor Hernandez, because I would kind of like a useful team, if that makes sense. So I was thinking between Nuno Mendes and either of these two, maybe both. But look, I'm just gonna go through my options real quick and find that hey, who's gonna benefit our team, and I might have to buy too many. Okay, so the first signing I was guaranteed tonight, Nuno Mendes, or Nuno Mendes, Portuguese left back, signed him right from PSG. First, basically the first signing that came to mind when I needed to do this Arsenal rebuild, especially for season 2. I really like him. 85 rated, 23 years old. He really has that time to just grow, and by the end of this rebuild, he's going to be up almost 90 rated, I believe. So I'm very excited. Okay, I gave in too many into the club for Arsenal FC. This is one we needed to replace Carly. He's definitely a big game player for Real Madrid, and I do trust him to do well in this Arsenal squad. And look, I just gave in. I just could not live that in. Also going to sign a youngster, which is Kozlovic. Just, I believe he'll be a good prospect. Probably like a bench player-ish. I'm gonna loan him out somewhere, and then just a year, and then he'll come back, and he'll grow so much, and it'll be so good for us. Maybe not a starter, but at least if he's a bench player, or some like coverage on the bench, we'll take it so much. 26 million from Bayern Munich, plus learning a 78 rating. Okay, so this is our team going into season 2. It's basically the same as what I did last season, except Hilnani replacing Carly, and Kazovic, I didn't get a loan for him, so I decided it probably is better than the club actually at Arsenal, especially when it pushing win the league. So yeah, this is a team. Hopefully we club getting on. Hopefully we can get Saka to 90 rated, and I'll see you at the end of the season. So we're here at the end of the season, and this is how the team has changed. Well, I do like these improvements for that club on Yokohama, Saka, and Odegaard. Still many up to 89, wow. When right in the Saliba, Gabriel, nice. Names as well, Dalazaya, think has grown a tad. And well, I don't know whether I'm could, honestly, like this team and bench are looking pretty good. Probably won't find something next season, but let's check the results. Oh wow, okay, so we are top of the Premier League only in our second season, just in front of Man City, and Spurs third, wow. But we'll take it, only our second season, we'll take it. However, we did not win any other significant trophies. We won the FA Cup, got knocked out in the round of 16 in the Champions League. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with these trophies, so hopefully we can carry this luck into next season and win some more. Okay, here's the first player that I'm playing for this season, Cleveland Kelleher. I noticed that we need a backup goalie, so I just got him on loan for a little bit. But now, I want to make a big signing, and that player is Vivica Valskelia. Try to do the pronunciation there, probably butchered it, but here he is, 89 rated left winger to replace Martinelli. I didn't really expect him to be this high rated actually, but 89 rated, we'll take it. Definitely signing end of the season 3, and we have absolutely cooked it. Second in the Premier League, behind Manchester City. We win the FA Cup on penalty zone. We don't make it to the Carabao Cup. We get knocked out in the... Oh my god, where are we? We get knocked out in round 4? And we don't even win the Champions League. Come on. Where are we? Knocked out in the playoffs. And guys, with this team, I genuinely do not know how we didn't win the league. And at least, how we didn't even make it past the playoffs in the Champions League. This is a disgrace. I don't even know where to upgrade, to be honest. Maybe like on the bench somewhere, but look, we have to keep pushing forward. I'll see you guys next season, hopefully with a solution, and hopefully we can win a couple more trophies. Okay, so I've brought in two players that will boost the bench and also collect potential. Number one is Tino Livramento, right back and left back, and Arda Güler. Both players with excellent potential, and hopefully they can carry this bench and they can win some more trophies. And honestly, this team is pretty perfect. I don't really know where to improve. I don't know how we came second in the league and it's so poorly last season. So this is what I've got. Honestly, first 11 is standards last season, but then we have Oliver Cam and Livramento. Lowest bench player is 78 loaded, but I don't think we need to do anything about that. And honestly, I don't know what we did wrong last season, so this season, us in the season, guys, I have no idea how this happened, but we are 5th in the Premier League. I assume to end of January, right? And we are 5th in the Premier League. What are we going to do? 10 points behind first. We really need to catch up by the end of the season. Don't know what to say. Second, again, assume to Nancy. I'm not happy. But we did win the FA Cup and we won our Cup. And look guys, we got knocked out by Barcelona round at 16 Champions League. I don't know what to do. Look, season is the last season and honestly, I don't know. We need to make some big transfers. We need to put everything in to then get everything out like last season and hopefully finally win a Champions League trophy. Okay, I understand this may not be the most realistic transfers ever, but final season, we need to go big or go home. Sesko and Diaz for the squad, boost that bench, and keeper Hernandez as a spare keeper, and I realised I didn't have one. The lowest player on the bench, 82 rated, but the lowest rated player that will actually come on and play is 84 rated. So I'm very optimistic about this team. Really, I really think we can achieve our goals this season. Look, this team's looking very good. If you guys want to see more, leave a like, subscribe, and either comment part 2 or comment a team that you want to see another video of. And I would gladly do it. It's in January. I'm scared to open this team, but it was done well. Oh no. Why is everyone injured? Oh no. Okay, hopefully this bench is carrying. Yeah, alright. Bench is looking alright. You're out for 3 weeks, alright. Still no, you wouldn't be that bad. 2 days and 5 days. Okay, so not that bad. Not sure how long it's been that bad. But what I'm scared to look at is standing. We're down 3-1 in the first leg. Correct. FA Cup. We are 4th round, alright. That's Chelsea, hopefully we don't lose that. We won the Community Shield, and we are 3rd in the league. Only 2 points behind Liverpool though. Okay. Okay, look. We should be fine. Honestly, I don't think there's anything else to do. So hopefully, injured players can come back and we can do well. I will see you guys in the final season at the very end. I'm gonna see where I'm gonna send that to June 1st or somewhere around there to see if we're in the Champions League final. If we're in the Champions League final, I'll play it on recording. But we'll see. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We did it. I sent to the end of the season, and look at the background. That is the Champions League background, meaning we have made it into the Champions League final versus Inter Milan. But first, let's just look at some stuff. maybe let's understand them first. So, England won the league. There we go. Alright, that's really good. We love to see that. Champions League final. Match day. Let's see. Oh, let's look at this team. Come on. Victor Kvaratskhelia. Great pronunciation, by the way, shortly. 92 rated. Gyökeres. 93. 93 Saka. 93 Odegaard. 91 Tillmanny and Rice. 89 Ben White. I was expecting them to close that much. No need to replace him, but no. 90 rated Saliba. 89 rated Gabriel. 89 rated Dylan Lynch. 89 rated Fire. Alright, let's do it. Oh, good start. Great tackle. Come on. Offload. Offload. I literally can't tell who's who. But hopefully you guys can. I don't actually know how to change it. I've never done FC25 clean mode. It's not first time, guys. Right? I've never done an FC25. Come on. Oh, I couldn't. Come on. Come on. Look at him. Oh, what a save. Oh, that's so close too. Wow, at corner time. Oh, what a save. I love you, David Dyer. Us. And I've been recording all day trying to get this done. No. Oh, he's got it. Look at that. I've been doing this all day trying to get this out. This is in my something I've been wanting to do for ages. I've seen this everywhere. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. I really hope I executed it well because I really hope this does well. This is something I've been doing and wanting to do for ages. And finally doing it. Here we go, up the wing. Back to Saka. And it's in! Kvaratskhelia was our first goal in the Champions League final. Is this it? Is this finally the Champions League for Arsenal? Look at them celebrating. We love them. We love them. Everyone celebrating. All the fans celebrating. Love to see. And I'm not a good sweeper player. FC player, sorry. But look at that. Oh, that kind of went through his foot. This guy's it janky. Who cares? We got it. Now, Benny White. We wanna run here? Yeah, we're gonna run here. Come on, get a pass. Oh, almost. Almost. Here we go. Okay, hopefully. Okay, here's my chance. Oh, well in. Well in. We'd love to see it. Surely. Okay, hit. Oh, that is not a celebration. Okay, doing like what the Titanic, the back was Titanic. But, what a shot. Send everyone forward. As soon as I say that, I score. I'm not putting Diaz on, I'm keeping Gabriel. On him. Who's here? I'm passing. Oh, there's no one there. Okay. No, that'll do. We're fine with that. We're fine. We're so fine. Just hold it. Hold the lead. We're taking it 2-1. Okay. Oh, that really got our heart racing. Come on. Look. This is all the time we have. This is all the time. And that's all the time we need. Arsenal win their first Champions League trophy ever. And as the players got to receive the trophy, I ask you guys to like and subscribe for one final time in this video. And here we are, everyone lines up around the trophy. Gabriel shall be the one to lift it. High five everyone, but here we go. Anyway, we won the trophy. if you guys enjoyed this 5-season career mode, please like, subscribe, and comment. Just get it all in the algorithm. I spent so much time on this video, and it just feels amazing to get it done. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And finally, if you guys enjoyed this video, click on one of these two videos here. YouTube says you'll enjoy them as well.